Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will be doing a full moon guided meditation for this month of September. I will be taking you through a guided visualization meditation for releasing stress, tension, aligning with your highest intentions, to dive deeper and how to better harness the full moon's energies. So, let's begin. First, start by getting into comfortable seated position with your palms up and open or face down to feel grounded. Slowly close your eyes, or you can even keep them open, just fixed at a point in front of you. Now take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Gently inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Continue with these deep breaths. Now is the time to relax into your seat on every exhale. Now is the time to surrender to this moment. Even if we hear small noises around us, it is all a part of this moment. With every gentle inhale and soothing release of the exhale, we are coming home to this moment. So take a deep inhale through the nose and release through the mouth, allowing your shoulders to roll back. Another deep inhale through the nose and release. Let's continue with these deep breaths for a moment. And remember, if you find your mind wanders, it's perfectly okay. It's what the mind does. When we notice, we simply choose to come back to this moment, anchoring ourselves by turning our moments to the breath, how it feels when the cool air enters to our lungs, and how relaxing it feels to release our muscle tension on every exhale. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Now, whenever you're ready, I invite you to gently turn your awareness inward to the imagination. I invite you to visualize yourself sitting on a smooth rock in the middle of a stream that is flowing all around you. Beyond this gentle stream, there is a beautiful, protecting jungle teeming with life. It's a warm tropical day with a gentle sea breeze around you. A gentle stream flowing down the hill and behind you. As you turn your head, just above you, there's a waterfall. A gentle steam is landing just behind your back, and there is a cooling mist all around. Just imagine, how does that feel? In this space, we are here to gently cleanse our aura If you can imagine any worries of the future or tension from the past, they are around you like an aura, like the rays of the sun that circle it. These thoughts that we carry are not within us. They can be cleansed with the waterfall. So, on every inhale, I invite you to deeply fill your lungs, and every exhale, invite you to visualize and feel the waterfall gently flowing over your head, over your ears, down your neck, around your shoulders, and cleansing what no longer serves you, allowing it to gently float away in the stream. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose and release, allowing that water to gently flow over you, surrendering that hold on these worries, memories. In this moment right now, we are just cleansing them. Another deep inhale through the nose and release, letting it gently flow over every inch of your body. Beautiful. So continue on with these deep breaths and allow the water to flow. Whenever you're ready, I invite you to visualize the waterfall gently slowing to a halt. The water is no longer flowing, and you can gently turn around on your rock to see the beautiful tall cave underneath the waterfall. There is a huge wall that's just in front of you, and it's black, and a projector appears, projecting a moving onto the wall. It's showing scenes of your life, of your intentions for your future, playing out just as you wish. So take a moment to view your goals and intentions like a movie playing out on a screen. Beautiful. The projector is slowly turning off. And I now invite you to gently bring your awareness back to the body as we will wind back with some mantras. I invite you to repeat these mantras after me, speaking it out, taking ownership of the words, or speaking them within. I am open to life's abundance. I hold within me all that I need. Beautiful. Just take some deep and intentional breaths and continue to relax into the moment. And remember, if the mind wanders, that is perfectly okay. We're simply choosing to bring our awareness back to the sensation of the breath. And whenever you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room. And when it feels right, you can gently wiggle your toes, maybe roll your shoulders, and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to thank yourself for holding the space and fostering inner calm, and for being present here in this moment.